Welcome to my CAD Tutor, Revit Architecture Tutorials. Today our topic is Staircase by Pick Option. In this video, I will show you how to create a staircase. Go to the floor plan and click on Stairs under the circulation on the right side. There are two options: Pick and Create Sketch. The first one is Straight Staircase. Simply click on the command and follow the steps which I am doing on the screen. To make any changes, click on Edit Type and make a duplicate, then change the parameters, such as riser height, tread depth, and run width. Press OK to close the window. You can also change the type of stair in Type Selector. Draw one by one as I am doing. Go to the floor plan and try to create an existing stair. First delete the stair, then create new one as I am going to do. Go to 3D view and you can see the created staircase. This is how you can create multi-shape staircase. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.